This video is brought to you by my supporters on Patreon. Hi guys! You can't see my face right now, but I'm here with my Ahri work log video, stargarding Ahri to be exact. Since this is a mostly sewing project, I'm going to be recording like this where I'm talking and a lot of it's in real time rather than super sped up besides like the sewing and stuff. So I'm just going to talk about what I've done here. I wore everything I would be wearing when I wore this. So I wore the bra that I'm going to wear, and then I wore the corset that I'm going to wear when I wear her costume. And then I wrapped myself in cellophane and then put duct tape and masking tape all over this. I recommend duct tape because it kind of sticks better than masking tape does, but masking tape is was cheaper. So once I was fully duct taped, I drew on pattern that I would be using, and there's a little bit of gaps here and there, so I just kind of need to fill those in. Anyways, so I drew on these patterns while I was wearing it, and then I cut myself out. I cut myself out from the front because I was wearing a corset. I didn't want to like accidentally snip the ties in the back. But I have the seam lines cleaned up a little bit, at least I know where I want it. So I'm going ahead and labeling this. So this is the pink middle part. So now I've written out what each piece is so that when I cut it out it doesn't get lost. So the way I'm going to cut this is I'm going to just cut off these pieces that I know are going to be separate right off the bat, because I might try to see if this works as one piece. Oh, this actually works as one piece. Does this one? Okay, so this bump is only here. You might get it too, because when I tape myself, I have to move my shoulder blade back, and it puffs out my shoulder blade. So this, I'm going to absolutely just keep flat. I don't need to add any dart or anything because the fabric is stretchy. I have all my pieces, so I'm just gonna write how much I need of each, which is times 2. Okay, so now I can go ahead and transfer these to the fabric. Alright, so just an update. I did the same thing with my arm and legs to create the pattern for the socks and the gloves, and her little, like, this is how I'm making the socks. They're gonna look like shoes, and then I'm probably just gonna put gold heels on top of that. That's it for this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. Sorry it was so short, but thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye!